cat people, welcome to the Catlady Christmas calendar. Today we are doing this alternative dark Christmas makeup! Every makeup starts by me applying some kind of eye primer in order to have the best results with my eyeshadows. For today, I have chosen from Concrete Minerals the Obsidian Eye Primer, which is a black one, because I want my colors to be as dark as possible. And you might ask, why such a dark makeup for Christmas? Because if I have to do my makeup for Christmas, I would choose a very dark one, and I feel that last year I haven't done any tutorial with extremely dark but Christmas celebratory makeup, so I feel that this year I would like to do something about it. And I'm ready to start playing with eyeshadows. For today I'm gonna use the Lit List, which was a limited edition palette from Aden Cosmetics, but the point of this video is not to use this specific palette. I'm sure that you have some burgundy and some red and maybe some red glitter, and of course you have black, because if you have palette you have black. Almost every palette contains a black eyeshadow. So the point here is to try not to use something new, is to try to shop our stash and find our gems that we already own, so we don't need to spend extra money. Anyway, from this palette, I'm gonna start with the color Wino. Oh my god, I remember from last year, I cannot pronounce this shade name. Let's say that it is called Wino, and I'm gonna start by applying here at the inner part of my eyelid. Now, I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush and I will blend out the burgundy red by using this one right here. This is called Tinsel, and it's a very bright red in order not to have any harsh line at the upper part of my eyelid. Let's see here. And I'm ready to move on to the scariest part of this makeup, the part where I'm gonna use black. Specifically, I'm gonna take the shade Blackout and I'm gonna apply it here at the outer part of my corner. And I'm so afraid, because if you go with black, there is no going back. I mean, it's so difficult to correct it, so wish me luck and let's do it! Ah, it's so dark, I love it. I mean, this is the alternative makeup look for me. I felt that you need to have something like this from me, because let's be honest, like, we had enough of the conventional green and red and blue. Like, I don't say that I will not do anything like this year, but I would like to have something more representative of me and my taste and what I'm gonna do when I will go out for Christmas this year. Now, I'm moving on to grey. I'm taking the grey from a mini palette that I have from We Makeup. Unfortunately, I don't know the name, but it's the only matte grey that they have, so if you go to their official webpage, I think you will find it. Where I'm gonna place it? Well, right here, because we have some unblended black and I'm planning to blend it with grey in order to create the perfect smoke effect. I would like to add some shine to this eye look, but I don't really want to go with a white metallic eyeshadow because I feel that it's gonna look quite weird, right? So I'm gonna go back to the Lit List palette, and from the palette I'm gonna choose the shadow which is called Diamonds, and it's more to the metallic side of eyeshadows, so I feel that this will blend perfectly with the grey that I have already used, and this also will give the sparkle that I want. At this point you can leave the look as it is, but no, I'm not going this today. We have Christmas season, and as you know, Christmas is the season of glitter. At least in my head, okay? I would like to find more excuses to use glitter more and more in my life. You know me, right? I hope you know me by now. So I'm gonna go again to the Lit List palette, and I'm gonna take this glitter eyeshadow which is called Rudolph. Oh my god, I love this name, so Christmassy. But first of all, I'm gonna apply the Fix Potion from Aden Cosmetics in order to create a very nice sticky base, and then I'm gonna dive into red glitter! Wow, I think that glitter took the whole look to the next level. Tell me down at the comments if you're gonna try this look for Christmas. Are you gonna use glitter or not? I'm so curious to hear about it. Now, I'm gonna go back to palette, I'm gonna go back to black. Very nice song, right? And I'm gonna go to the bottom part of my eye in order to make it match to the whole eye look. I will apply this black liner into my waterline, and then I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, some fake lashes. I will do my face makeup because you know it's the same products again and again and it might be boring and I don't want you to have boring footage to watch. And then I will go back for some surprises, okay? And as you can see, I have finished with my face makeup as well. Let me tell you about two new products that actually I've used today. First of all, we have this powder. This comes from Charlotte Tilbury. It is called Airbrush Brightening Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Eye and Face Micro Powder. Wow, that was a big name. Let me show you. This is the powder. It's a white one and I think it's quite good. It's actually the first time that I'm trying it, so I cannot be very objective, to be honest. And secondly, I have used this cream contour. This comes from Dollface and it's like this. Let me see the name of it. Does it have a name? Yes, it is called Contour Wizard and it's in light/medium. Okay, so it's light, medium and then dark, something like that. I feel it's perfect for my skin tone and I'm quite happy with it. But on top I set it with a powder. This is the Witch Please from Aden Cosmetics. Amazing, and it's kinda brown to grey, which I truly love. For blush, I have used from Colourpop the Cheek Dew in the shade Psst. It's also amazing. I love this series. I have another one. I cannot remember the name right now. And as a highlighter, I have used from Fenty Beauty the How Many Carats. It's my favorite highlighter. I'm using it literally at every makeup that I'm doing. That's why I have Hidden the Pan here. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. As you can see, today I have a kinda alternative Christmas makeup, and that's why I decided to tell you the Greek word for alternative. So in Greek, we say εναλλακτικό. Say it with me. Εναλλακτικό. Εναλλακτικό. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word εναλλακτικό or tell me the word in your own native language. Time to do the lip makeup. For today, I decided to go with black lips, but in the middle, I'm planning to apply some red as well because I still want them to be kinda Christmassy. So, I'm starting with two pencils. Oops, wrong two pencils. I would like to say two pencils, like this. First is gonna be from Aden, the black 24-hour eyeliner. And the second one is gonna be from NYX Professional Makeup, the shade Copenhagen. I'm gonna apply the black one here at the edge and then the red one in the middle. At this point, I would like to tell you that I couldn't resist and I added a lipstick on top. This is from Revolution Makeup in the shade Dragon's Blood and it's stunning. I mean, look at this color, it's just very beautiful. And now I'm thinking that I need to add something extra, something glossy, right? We're having Christmas, we're celebrating, of course we need a gloss. And I'm gonna take from Makeup Academy the Plumping Lip Gloss. It promises that it will make my lips a little bit juicier, but to be honest, I don't care about this right now. I'm gonna apply in the middle of my lips and nowhere else. And that was it. This was our video for today. I hope that you have fun doing your makeup with me. I hope that you like my alternative Christmas makeup and I gave you some inspiration for this year. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My name there is Catlady Antigoni, and I will wait to see your alternative grungy Christmas looks. See you tomorrow with a new video, and until then, bye bye!